Hello friends, welcome to GeeksforGeeks YouTube channel. In this video, we'll solve one more tricky C question. Hope you're excited. So let's get started. So this is the last question on the printf function. I have taken an integer variable x. So in this integer variable, what I am doing is that I am taking multiple functions x equal to printf of %d, comma again printf function, again one more printf function, again one more printf function. So within a printf function, you can take any number of printf function as arguments to that function. Okay, so you are passing this printf function as one argument, again hello as another argument, again namaste as one argument. So how it would be evaluated? Like this, you can take n number of printf functions within a printf function. So what will happen if you take that? Whenever compiler evaluates this, first printf, outermost printf would be executed. So always the workflow of the function is from right to left, as you know that. So first namaste would be executed, followed by hello, followed by hi, and followed by %d. What is the value of this %d? As you know that %d in a printf would generally return the number of values. If you take any variable a, b, c, then a value will be displayed. So here I have taken 1%ld. If I am taking 1%ld, what does it mean? This %d is associated with first argument. Just like print x equal to printf of %ld a comma b comma c. What I have did, I have taken, instead of a comma b comma c, I have taken hi, hello, namaste. So instead of taking 3%ld, I am taking 1%ld. So this %d is associated with the first printf function, that is 3. 3 characters has been passed here. So these 3 characters would be associated with this %d. So output would be namaste, hello, hi, 3. So if you take something like this, again I'm trying to print the percentile x value by making use of one more printf statement. So as you know, the printf would return the number of characters that has been passed to it. So if printf would return number of characters that has been passed to it, in printf what I am doing, again I am taking multiple printf statement. So whether I should consider which this double quotes or this one. So always consider the text number of characters present in the first argument. Here how many characters are passed in this double quote? That means hi is returning 3 here. So this printf function is %d is replaced with 3 whenever it is printed. So 3 means only one character, so the x value would be 1. So what would be the final output if you compile this? Namaste, hello, hi, 3, 1. Execution is from right to left. Any function execution will be from right to left. So 3, why 3? Because hi return type would be hi returns printf of hi returns 3, so that would be associated with this outermost %d, and 1, why 1? Because this outermost printf function is returning the number of characters that has been passed in the first argument, that is 3 means 1 character. So the return type of this outermost printf would be 1. That has been displayed in the, that has been stored in the value x value. Okay, now what I will do is that I will take something like this, %d. Now what will happen? Namaste, hello, hi will be displayed, followed by, so hi would be associated, first 3 would, next after that 3 would be displayed, next 5 would be displayed, 7 would be displayed. Simply 3, 5, 7. Instead of directly printing 3, 5, 7, what I am taking here, I am taking printf functions which ultimately returns the integer value. So if you execute this, first namaste has been printed, hello has been printed, hi has been printed. Okay, after that what happened? If you see 3, 5, 7, why? Because hi, hello, namaste, 1 character, hi contains 3 characters, that is first printf, second printf, and third printf, that is namaste, 3, 5, 7. So that has been displayed with the help of this first 3%ld. And second, what is this 5? This 5 is associated with the second printf. The next line we have one more printf function, that is the x value. So this, we have stored this entire printf function in an x value. So why we got 5 here? Because we have displayed 3%d. I have said you that outermost value, I mean first print x value is nothing but the number of characters that has been passed in the first argument of this printf, outermost printf function. So we have passed 3%d. That means each %d is returning 1 character. 3, 5, 7, 1, 1, 1. So total 3. If it returns more than 1 digit, then again count will be increased. If it is written 13, 12, 10, then it would be 6. So it depends upon how many digits this %d is returning. So that would be 3 characters, that is 3, 5, 7. 3 again, but it resulted in 5. Why? Because there are two spaces between this percentile D. So space is also a character which will have an ASCII value. Space is also a character with some ASCII value. So that's why 3 characters with 3 digits means 3 characters in between 2 spaces. So total 5 characters. So this has been stored in X value, which has been displayed here. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching the video. I'm pretty sure that you would have enjoyed this video, so please like it, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel for regular updates like this. Thanks for being with us. Have a great day.